So this is an unusual sight arrived with us yesterday. Can't crazy, we've been repairing transponders for about 10 years now and have done thousands. In that time, this is only the second TranX Pro we've got. So the red ones, the AMB 260s, are used for speeds up to 260 kilometers an hour, which is what, about 180. These are for speeds in excess of 180 mile an hour, so that's why you don't see many of them, because there really isn't many things that need these. Anyway, this one's duff. I'm sure in a few days this will be on its way back to the owner, working absolutely fine and with a 6-month guarantee on it.